how to make different columns for all groups in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open your Monday.com board. Go to the board where you manage different groups and ensure it has the necessary task lists or project sections. 2. Click on Add Column. Choose the column type you need, such as status, date, numbers, or text. 3. Duplicate columns for multiple groups. If different groups need similar columns, use the duplicate feature to save time. 4. Customize columns. For specific groups, edit column names and data types based on the unique needs of each group. For example, one group might need a budget column, while another requires a deadline column. Use filters to view relevant columns. Apply filters or custom views so each team sees only the columns relevant to them. 6. Lock columns if needed. Restrict editing permissions for sensitive data by locking certain columns to specific team members. 7. Save the structure as a template. If you plan to use the same setup for other projects, save your board as a template for future use.